Question 18 reads, x squared plus y equals 7, x minus y equals 5. Which value is a y coordinate of a solution to the system of equations above? Okay, so the way there are multiple ways of solving system of equation questions. The way I'm gonna solve it is I'm gonna maybe use the second equation to solve for x, for example. So I'm gonna say x equals 5 plus y. Okay, I'm just rearranging. I added y to both sides, right? And I'm rearranging. So x equals 5 plus y. I rearranged the second equation. Now with that information, I'm gonna sub it into this equation, the first one. And so then I can solve for y. And so if I do that, it's gonna actually be 5 plus y, right? That's gonna be squared plus y equals 7. Okay, so this x we got from the second equation, right? And so I just subbed it in. And so if I expand this, it's actually gonna be 5 plus y into 5 plus y, right? This is actually gonna be 5 squared plus 2 into 5 into y plus y squared. And the way I work this out really quickly is by just knowing a plus b squared is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, okay? And then if I simplify this even further, it becomes 25 plus 10y plus y squared, okay? And so I can bring this now back here, okay? So 25 plus 10y plus y squared plus y, again from here, equals 7, okay? I can simplify this further, and I'm gonna bring the 7 to the left-hand side, and you'll understand why, because it's actually to solve this quadratic, because it is a quadratic, okay? And so y squared, I'm gonna bring this, usually the term to the power of 2 is the first leading term, and so I'm gonna bring y squared to the beginning. Y squared plus 10y plus 1y right here is going to become 11y plus 25 minus 7. 25 minus 7 is 18. Okay, and so and then the right hand side becomes 0. Now we can solve this quadratic. We can use the quadratic formula, or we can use sum and product. I'm going to use sum and product. The way we do sum and product is that we take the coefficient of the second term, y, right? Which is going to be 11, actually. So that's going to be our sum. Our product is going to be the constant term, which is 18. Okay, so we're looking for numbers that can multiply to give 18 and add up together to give us 11. And if you work it out a little, it's actually going to be 9 and 2. Okay, 9 into 2 is 18, right? 9 plus 2 is 11. Okay, and so that's how sum and product works. Okay, we use this, the sum will be the second term's coefficient, right? And the product will be the constant term. 9 and 2, and so we can rewrite this equation as y plus 9 into y plus 2 gives us 0. And so we can solve for y. Y is either going to be either be minus 9 or y is equal to minus 2. And so the question asks for what is the y coordinate, right? We automatically solved for y. We could have like solved for x first and then subbed in x into one of the equations and solved for y later, but that's double the steps, okay? So we directly solved for y. And so y either equals minus 9 or minus 2. The only solution I'm seeing here is minus 2. And so C is going to be our answer. They didn't include minus 9, which is totally fine.